everybody, Sharon here with LNA Little Flowers. It's been a while since I've done a soap video, but I'm going to try with this thing that I got for my crafting videos, see if it'll work for soaping videos. Here's crossing fingers. Yeah, there's a cross. Yeah. Okay, anyway, so today I'm excited. I have this by Brambleberry Energy. Oh my gosh, I love it. So I have my prepared oils in here. They are all melted, ready to go. I have 7 different oils in here. If you want to know what oils I use and the benefits that I use for, feel free to visit my Etsy shop, LNA Little Flowers, and on my newer soaps I give of the oils and the benefits used by those soaps, by those oils on your skin. So this week I'm going to attempt a neon rainbow for my favorite era, the area I did a lot of growing up in with the awesome 80s. So let's totally rock this out. Awesome. Okay. Now totally, where is my lye solution? Found it. Okay. So I'm going to put in my lye solution. Alright, I got my totally awesome lye solution, which is lye and distilled water. Why do we use distilled water? Because there's no impurities in there. Okay, and you don't want the impurities binding to your oils and making your soap yucky. That would be a bad thing. And seriously, if you're going to go through the point of all this and then you just use regular water and your soap turns out gross, I mean, ugh, what's the point? Okay, so, alright, so the saponification process has begun. Okay, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. I'm going to try without bumping the camera. If I bump the camera, I apologize. However, all right. I don't know what music I can play during this, so I will delight you with one of my hummings. Too much? Okay. Kind of therapeutic listening to that. I feel like I'm actually being productive. Okay. Oh, see? It's a good thing I apologized. Okay. Be still. Okay. All right. I'm looking for a light trace because I've never used this fragrance oil, so I don't know how it's going to behave. So, yep. We're going to take that out, put it off to the side. Okay. Now, I got to split this off 6 ways. Holy crap. I'm not putting the fragrance in any of them right now. Just splitting them off. Whoa. Weird. All right. Soaps have been split or split it up. Maybe 6 different things. Okay. So my first layer, because I'm doing a smaller loaf, and by the way, this one can be purchased off Amazon. I quite like it. And if you start out soap making and you want to do cut bars like this, I suggest using this one. It's a nice thing to do. So the first layer I want to do is, all these colors are from Mad Mica. The first color I'm doing is Grape Ape. Okay, and Mad Mica's is super pigmented, so I guess you guys probably wanted to see that. All right, let's try this again. Okay, and we will dump in some fragrance oil. Okay, it seems very fluid. No ricing, which is good. So I'm going to let it go for a minute. See if I can get it going thicker. Okay, that seems doable. Okay, scrape that off. Groovy. Okay, so my first layer I'm going to pour in. Okay, for the yellow, I'm doing Tennis Ball Breaker. Okay. Okay, that one's done. I should probably do the green one. Okay, this one is Radioactive. Oh no, did I? I did not put any fragrance in there. Crap. Okay, so. Okay. Still running in fluid. Still doing good. My husband's singing in the background. And I need orange and pink. I think we'll do pink first. And this is Tickled Pink. Very neon. It's like my favorite pink right there. Okay, last one, the orange. So we'll put this in. Cheesy Poof. Wow. Okay. And from, I think that's all we're gonna do on that. Okay, let's see how this is looking. Oh, good. Okay, so I'm just gonna do you hear that in the background? Oh my gosh. Oh, he's funny. Okay, I need blue, right? Okay. Oops, sorry. Did not mean to do that. Okay. Green, right? I'm trying to do this backwards. Okay. Eating healthy does not include a diet of potato chips. So, I know your thumbs hurt, but that's not going to get you a...
Please take me now, please. Please, please. You're going to pour all of it in?
What?
You're going to pour all of it in?
Not all of it.
Why? But you're kind of doing it.
Kind of.
Because I can see a bunch of it.
Yeah.
Where's all of the blue?
It's underneath.
No, all of it.
Like how the name, it means, well, the name is energy. What better way to get energy from neon colors, right? Right. Okay. So, we'll make this kind of not smooth. I'm not going for smooth. Going for kind of chunky.
Are you going to sell this soap?
Yep, I am.
I want to smell it.
What?
I want to smell it.
Okay, it's starting.
That one is thick.
Yep, it's starting to get thick.
You should hurry with it.
Hmm?
Two.
Huh.
And you were like, what? This is rainbow.
Yes.
I knew it. I knew it.
A neon
Rainbow.
rainbow
A
to
neon rainbow. Gosh. A neon rainbow.
it'll fit.
No,
It'll just be a tall soap.
Yeah. What will you think? I'll go all the way up to our roof.
Not all the way up to our roof. Yeah.
It is kind of sliding off. So, you're trying to make it not slide off.
Yeah, it's still a little runny. So any soap makers out there that have cool designs, or for a first fragrance, this one is really nice. That one can handle it
Mom, let's remove the pink
and not slide
and red.
off.
Mommy, you're using all of the pink.
So,
Mom,
I know,
how are you going to spread that?
it's just careful because it is a little runny. But as I was saying before, this is great because you can really play with it and it'll give you time for your designs. Okay, I think that looks good. Yep. Looks good. Let's see, should I put some glitters? I mean, wasn't the 80s about glitters too? I I really think the 80s were about glitter as well. So I'm going to do Into the Mystic by Mad Micahs. Okay, let's see. And if you take a brush, this one I just got from the Dollar Tree, and just do that. You got some shimmery, glittery stuff. We are calling this soap done. And I will meet you back here in 18 to 24 hours and we will cut this puppy. Later. Hey everybody. We're back, ready to cut. Looks kind of cool. Alright, let's get this puppy cut. Make sure to line it up right. Okay, that looks good. Okay. Yeah, it's morning and I always sound a little stuffed up. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that soap. That's gorgeous. Look at that. That's so cool. It's still kind of sticky a little bit. That's very cool. All right. Well, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if there's something you want to see, let me know. I might try it. Thank you very much. And as always, happy crafting. Later.